Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a what sold video, and I'm going to do it in a little bit different format, so hopefully you guys will like it. I'm going to try to show you everything here on eBay and Mercari. Well, I might not show you the Mercari one just because, I don't know, we'll see how it works. So overview, let's see, get to my stuff. So that's my grid, or my whatever. At 8 sales on eBay, 1 sale on Mercari. If you guys are new here, I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. Mainly Mercari and eBay. Let's see. Just a little different. So let's see. So the first thing, or not the first thing, but we'll go down in the order of the listing. So this here is a Build-A-Bear elephant, 16-inch plus white tusks. Sold him for $20.25 free shipping. So he was in really good condition. Let's see, his tag there. So yeah, sold him for $20.25 free ship. I'll probably be able to send him out for about $4 or $5 because he's a little bit on the heavier side, not quite over a pound. And then the next thing is this Eddie Bauer. It's like a vest, rain jacket, hoodie. And it had zippered pockets and a hood, and it's like a nylon material. It did not have, let's see, it did not have the size tag in it or material tag, so I just took measurements, put it in there, estimated it to be a large or extra large, and let's see, what did I sell? Oh yeah, sold that for $21.25 with free ship. And then I sold these Vans. Now if you guys watched my last video, or one of my last couple videos, this was in the haul that I got in a bulk box. And yeah, so they're really good in the shape in the front. They came with the box. However, they did, if you see right there, there was some dirt on the edges. Right there at the top of the one shoe. Even though I'm pretty sure they were new. I mean, if you look here at the bottoms, they were in really good shape. It doesn't even look like they've been worn. I think it was just from wherever they were stored or sent back. They got really dirty on the one. And I sold these for $34.25 free ship. For shoes like this, especially since they have the box, I will probably ship them out in a bag. The box in a bag off a pirate ship. And hopefully it won't cost me any more than $9 to ship, or $9.50, depending on where they're going in the country. Next, I have this. It's a Raw State Affliction men's shirt, size extra large, graphic tee with crosses and skulls. And let's see, I've had this for probably about 4 months. Let's see. So yeah, there's a close-up of the graphic. And there's the there's the tag that's in there, extra large. So yeah, $21.75 free ship. And this, I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I'm probably going to send it out, risk it. But the buyer bought it, and they immediately sent me a message saying that it was a gift, and they wanted to know if I could send it to a different address. I normally would not do that, but it is a child's toy, and I only sold it for $11.99 free shipping. It was just a Gans Webkins called Goggles Platypus, and no code, no anything. But so I might just ship it out. The worst that would happen is I will lose $12. The best thing that will happen is I will have a satisfied customer that will be very happy that I did that. Even though I know I shouldn't do it. It's not a best practice. It's not something you should do on a regular basis. But I'm going to try to do that this time and just see how it works. I'll probably hopefully it'll be okay. So let's see. This here, okay. This here I sold overnight. But I've had it for like a year and a half. Okay. So I sold it for $17.95 plus $8 shipping. I'm going to put them both in a padded flat rate envelope. But I'm redoing my eBay room upstairs. And I've been going through my totes, kind of doing an inventory. I haven't done that yet after doing this for 2 years. And I am finding a ton of things that have fallen off of eBay or just were never put on eBay that I only put on Poshmark or Mercari and didn't realize it when I was new. And so I am going through everything now and taking inventory and seeing what has fallen off. So this was one of the things that had fallen off. And the other day I started going through some of that and relisting it. And anything that I still had the old pictures for, I was going through and just putting them back on eBay. And this is one of them, and it did sell within 24 hours after re-putting it back on eBay for $18 plus $8 shipping. Let's see, and then this is a Lazy Ones spa flip-flop slippers, fuzzy house slippers, size 7 to 9, sold for $21.18, free shipping. Not the best pictures, but they are new, in the sealed bag. So I didn't take them out of the sealed bag. I left them in the sealed bag. Took as best pictures as I could. And so yeah, I think these are like rock and roll bears that are on here. Yeah, rock me to sleep bears. And those sold probably within a few months after listing. And then last but not least is this. I sold this within a month. Is a Victoria's Secret pajama set. And let's see. So I'm taking the photos with Photo Room. And so those are turning out a little bit better because upstairs for flat lay I don't really have a great spot for something this big. But I did sell it for $21.75 plus $8 shipping. Now let's see real quick if I can, since the video's not very long yet, I'm going to see if I can get to Mercari and show you my one sale that I had on there. This is my daughter's sale. So my daughter is 11, and she does sell with me, so she will go to the thrift store with me and look for things, buy it with her own money. I do the listing for her for the most part. I am trying to teach her how to do photos and all of that. So I am teaching her. But she sold these for $12 plus $4.80 shipping. And they're just a pair of kids' Gymboree toddler boot size 4 with like little faces on the front. And they were in like brand new condition. They were really super clean. And so she will make back about $10. Well, after she paid $3 for them. And then after the $12, the fee's taken out, she'll profit $7 or $9.90 or whatever it was. But yeah, so that's everything I sold this week. I don't have the totals for you guys this time because I've got a lot to do today. And I just wanted to show you what is selling for me. My sales have been fairly low recently. And so that's why I haven't made a what sold video. I do decent throughout the week, like 10 sales throughout the week. But on the weekends lately, I've only been having 4 or 5, so I haven't been making videos, but this one wasn't too bad. Let's see if I can show, I don't know how much I want to show. So total for the week, so far I've got $339. I did the math last night. I figured my shipping will cost me about $43 to $47 for all of this, which puts my total in like the 290s. So yeah, not too bad for a very part-time. I literally work this less than an hour a night and then source for a half an hour on my lunch breaks, and that's how I do this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did like this different format, please let me know, and I will try to do this on the Mondays, since I do have my Mondays off, and get this for you guys. I hope you guys have a great week, and please subscribe. If you like this, please leave me a comment if you like this. If you don't like this, leave me a comment, and I will go back to the other way of doing what sold videos when I do them. And I appreciate you guys for being here and watching, and I will talk to you guys all later. See ya!